Do you have a firewall around your investments? You wouldn't run your business without cybersecurity. So why are you running your wealth without a firewall? I'm not talking about your computer. I'm talking about legal firewalls, asset protection structures that can help you shield your investments from potential lawsuits, creditors, changes in tax law, even family disputes. Over the years, I've seen too many Australians lose what took them years, sometimes decades to build. And often it's not because they made a poor investment, it's because they never put proper protection in place. For most Australians, the family home is the single biggest asset and the one most at risk because it's often held in your personal name to maintain the capital gain tax and land tax exemptions. It's also completely exposed if something goes wrong. I worked with a married couple, Michael and Anna. They had a thriving business, 2 investment properties, and a beautiful family home worth about $3.5 million. They'd done what most people consider responsible. The home was paid off completely, the investment properties had very low debt, and they had all the right insurances in place. On paper, it looked like freedom. But here's the problem. Everything was held in their personal names. Then a contract dispute with a supplier turned ugly. Within weeks, legal letters started to arrive. Suddenly, their home and investment properties were potentially exposed to claims. When they came to me, they said, "We thought we were safe. We've always done the right thing. We are honest, hardworking people. We never thought this could happen to us." But here's the reality. When the other side sees how much equity you have, it can make you an attractive target. Michael and Anna had over $4.5 million in available equity across their properties. To a creditor, that's like a big red target. If your assets are in your personal name, they can be accessible to creditors. One lawsuit, one tax dispute, one business collapses, and what you've worked so hard for could be at risk. The solution? Put asset protection strategies in place before you see trouble on the horizon. Here's the mistake that most people make. They wait until there's a problem before acting. But under Australian bankruptcy legislation, once a claim has been made, moving assets can be challenged and even reversed by the courts. Protection is strongest when it's set up early and well before any issues arise. Think of it like insurance. You can't take out a policy after the accident. So how do you protect a family home without losing your capital gain tax and land tax exemptions? One option we use for some clients when it's being suitable is a second mortgage strategy. In Michael and Anna's case, we set up a discretionary trust, transfer funds into the trust, had the trust lend those funds back to them, secured by a registered mortgage and a charge over the properties. On paper, the properties now appeared heavily encumbered, which can make them far less attractive for potential claimants to pursue. They kept the capital gain tax and land exemptions for the family home. There was no stamp duty. They continue living in their home exactly as they did before. But now, if another dispute ever arises, the home and the investment properties are in a far stronger position from an asset protection perspective. In their case, luckily, the supply didn't proceed beyond a few legal letters, but if they had, it could have been a very serious situation for Michael and Anna. At WealthSafe, we help clients protect their wealth and legacy, often built over a lifetime with legally compliant asset protection strategies. Because the best time to protect your wealth was yesterday, the second best time is right now. If you've built something worth protecting, don't wait until someone else tries to take it. Book your free asset protection assessment with WealthSafe today. We'll show you how to identify the weak points in your current structures, legally ring fence your home and investment against lawsuits, tax disputes, and creditors, put proven strategies in place that are 100% compliant with Australian law and ATO guidelines. Most Australians don't even realize how exposed they really are until it's too late. Don't make that mistake. Click the link below to secure your free assessment now and start building your financial firewall today with WealthSafe.